Hi everybody and welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Today we have a Vinted unboxing brought to you by Vinted, and it says here pretty things inside. Now inside here is another wildlife buddy. This woman only wanted £2, absolute stunning deal, and I thought that was just such a fantastic offer. So yeah, inside here it's from a country I love quite a lot. It is from Australia. Now I love Australia, so if you have any guesses what it might be, did you predict correctly? Let us know if you did. Inside here we have the kangaroo. Yes, absolutely fantastic. We have finally one from the Australian side of the wildlife buddies, because on the back here we've had one from the ocean and now we've got one from down under. Down under means Australia, so I feel like we need to get one from Misunderstood and then one from the jungle and one from the safari, and just keep rotating through them all. But yeah, so we've got the kangaroo now. So two buddies so far from series 5. Let's get into it, and as you can see, look, he is adorable. Oh wow, let's see what this little one is going to look like. Oh, look at that. That base is stunning. Look at that. It gives you a really hot sort of vibe, as if the floor is so hot, because at the moment in the United Kingdom we have really bad wildfires and they're struggling to get them put out because it's so hot, and they're saying that it's not going to rain for yet another week. So yeah, they're having really big problems with wildfires at the moment. But look at that, and then you get to put that little buddy into their light. So I really don't understand why they can't just, you know, merge this sort of colour in around the edge, because you're just going to have that big sort of white bit on show. But wow, that feels really nice as well. And then obviously on here, stick is really good. It's a little bit weak in the face, but yeah, you sometimes get that. But yeah, I can't believe we've got a little kangaroo. I feel like I need to save this and do it when I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here's on in November, because it just, seeing this reminds me of that program. But knowing me, I'm probably going to get this done pretty quickly. I want it on the shelf with the rest of the buddies. Okay, lovely. So in here we have the drills, and what's lovely, again, very quick, easy, fun projects. So yeah, we have ourselves a peachy colour, a brown sort of terracotta colour there, a mahogany sort of brown there, a white, and a sort of sandy colour there. And then obviously in here, oh, we've got another card. Right, someone did tell me what these are for, but I can't remember now what they're actually used for. But just says here that a symbol of Australia's coat of arms leap over 3 meters, cool off by licking their forearms, and manage vegetation through grazing, obtaining moisture from food. Now, I'm sure it's the kangaroo, isn't it? The kangaroo that if you go up to it, it will try and box like with you. You know, like in boxing, it will try to punch you. I don't know, but let's have a look inside here. We know what's in here. I don't think they should use this. I think they should stop putting them in paper, because they already put it all in a cellophane wrap, so I don't really understand why they would wrap this individually. But as you can see here, very sort of skimpy on the bags, which is brilliant because I'm actually phasing bags out now. I get so many of them that I just prefer to put them all in this big bottle thing. Okay, so that's our little buddy. So I can't wait to get that one going. It's hard to say which ones. I mean, it depends what pops up when I put it in the search bar on Vinted. It just depends which ones pop up. But I think I'd love very much to get that parrot. You know, I'd be happy with any one that I get, but the parrot is very something that I want, and I really adore sea turtles, seahorses. So yeah, either the parrot, the seahorse, or the snake, is what I want, or maybe the chimp, so we'll have to wait and see. But another wildlife buddy joins the crew of wildlife buddies, and we'll see you very soon for another Vinted unboxing coming very soon. Bye for now.